Hello, my name's Luca Tremblay, currently residing in Exeter, United Kingdom. And this is my final project submission for CS50 algxbra. So it's a fun little Python game designed to help you hone your algebra skills, albeit very basic. So we get right into it and press play. You can see there's a question that comes up at the top of the screen and four different answers you get to choose from. The goal is to solve for X. And every time you solve correctly, the score increments by one, all while the timer counts you down. So the real nature of the game is to try and rack up as many points as you possibly can before the time expires. Every time you get a question wrong, you score your score decrements by one, um, and it is possible to get negative values. So try and avoid that. When the game's over, you get a game over screen, you get a score, which was 2 here, and it happened to be my high score. So we can either choose to play again and beat that, or go back to the main menu. If we go back to the main menu, we can go to the options and select a different difficulty, either medium or hard. But I'll let you have a crack at those two. We'll stick with easy for now. In fact, if you want to reset all our high scores, all we have to do is press reset. We'll go back, try one more time, and have a crack at this. Try and best our score of 2 and see what happens. See how much we can get. That's 9. And done. 17. Great. So there's my final project submission. Thank you. Bye bye.